This is YFM C1360Z, the auto nylon long chain inspection machine. Now we are going to test this machine and teach you how to operate this machine. First of all, you need to pull the power switch and please press the start. The screen will be switched on. Okay, and then please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. Please open the wheel. Okay, and the most important is this can control the tape running space. Okay, you need to make the tape touch and make a little bit loose, small distance between the tape and edge. Very important for this, otherwise the long chain inspection machine cannot check. And please check the tape direction like this. There is a light, so tape must on the top, and here also the same. You need to go down to fix the tape, and you need to put the wheel into the transmission wheel. Okay, and please put the tape on this position. The most important is you need to put the tape into this guiding and then lock the wheel. If you don't know how to put the tape, you can press the manual, and there is a tape hand guiding. You can check the tape how to go. So please make sure your tape goes through like this way. When you see the light, the tape must on the top. Here also the same. And here must go under the stick. This is very important. Some people put the tape on the top. Must be under the stick. Like this. And this one control the tape. The running edge is also very important for this device. And normally this is control the tension of the wheel. Okay, you can release, but normally we fix like horizontal style. So also here, also horizontal. Okay, this is very important. Once everything is okay, and you can see there's a full switch, you can press run, or you can press the green button. It's same. You can go back to the main screen, and you can see there are 6 cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you don't want to use it, you can switch off. When you see the gray color, it's off. And this is setting for the sensitivity of each camera. So according to every different kind of long chain, there are different kind of setting. And this is running RPM. For the best performance, the RPM is the 1200. So the running speed is around 182 meters per minute. And this sensitivity is just according to this long chain. We just make like this. Okay? So once everything is okay, you can press the running button. I want to explain. You can see the station 1 is checking the tape patterns, weaving has damage or not, and the coil teeth has damage or not. Okay? And the second station and fourth station is checking the zipper tape. There's a hole or tape edge has defect. The station 3 is checking the tapes, the side is waving or not. Station 5 and Station 6 are checking the dirty of the front side tape and back side tape. Okay, once everything is okay, now we are going to check this machine's function. So we press the running switch and machine will be running. Okay, you can see there is the number 4 station problem. The number 4 station problem is checking the tape has hole or there is some damage defect, because this tape, you see, is a lot of waving, so the camera think this is damaged. Okay, it's not flat. We keep going. There are 3 cameras check, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5 check the tape side is waving, and also there's something damage on the tape. See this damage. Number 4, inspect the tape has a hole or edge defect. You can see here has defect. Okay, the tape has been cut. Also here is the same. There's the dirty spot on the tape. So number 5 and number 6 camera check. Okay, there's a dirty spot or dirty on the front side and back side. Number 3, the side is waving. So also here has damaged, and tape also is waving. So number 3 cameras find it. Okay, so we finished the testing. And I'm going to teach you the function of the screen. You can see there's a menu, and this one you can see the first function, the shift stations. The shift stations is just checking your efficiency. For example, one day you have 1 or 2 or 3 shift, and you can check how many stops, how many time for the stopping, and total how much time. And go back to the main screen, and you can check. The most important is the database. For example, like this is the blue color tape, and you think this data is good, you want to record, so you can press the database, and this is all the data which you have now. So you can just make the setting. For example, you want to make blue, and you can press enter. So the product code is blue, and this is data is now current data, so you can just save, and we'll double check with you. If you confirm, you just press yes. So this one will become blue, and next time you want to check a blue color, you can just record. So this one, and you can see, for example, raw is a different setting, The speed also different, everything is different. If you want to make this setting, you can just roll. If you roll, the data setting will be here. Okay, so now we change to blue, so we just load blue and setting will be like this. The speed we suggest just 1200 is the best performance. Okay, so you can set every speed is 1200. And there is the channel delay. The channel stop delay is once the camera find the problem and need to delay how much distance to make a stop. So according to the performance, I make setting for channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This delay for 450 millimeters, 300 millimeters, 250 millimeters, or 280 millimeters. This one can be changed. Okay, and this is the total length. And there is a statement. Normally, this one is the current light source voltage. If you see this voltage get high, it means the sun light has broken. This one is internal setting. The password is Tom, and you can see there is the internal some settings. But normally this one you don't have to use. Okay, just this one is for the time setting and for the sweeps. Okay, so we make some setting from here, and you can change the setting according to the dates, according to the time, according to the sweep, how many sweeps you have. Okay, you can go back. Counters. For example, you want to make how many meters you want to make stopped. You can set up from here. Now we make maximum length. If you want to release, you just release, press, and it becomes 0. And this is the how many problems you face in total. If you want to release, you can release from here. Okay. And this is the guiding to teach you how to put the tapes. Okay, and this is the each station's function. Recommend setting. This is for sensitivity setting. This is just suggest you to set at this. You need to make a setting according to different kind of tape color. Okay. So we go back to the main screen. Our bond master is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finish the machinery testing.